Hello guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how to make this particular number counting up in CapCut. So the first thing you will need to do is to go to your ChatGPT and type give me a number counting up from 10 to 100 in a downloadable SRT file. Add minutes to it. Then CapCut will generate for you the downloadable SRT file. You tap on it and it will be downloaded. Then you come to your CapCut. Yeah, if you want to know how to have this particular background, you can let me know at the comment section. Then you come to text, come to local caption, import file, then it will lead you to where your SRT file is downloaded. So you pick it and you upload it to your timeline. So you have to you may need to enlarge it so that it will be very clear what you want to do. Then you change your font to the particular font you actually like to use and the color if need be. Then you like to add a glow effect and then you adjust it based on your own preference. Yeah, so what you want to do now is the last number you want to duplicate it, and to do that you just press Ctrl C and Ctrl V, copy and paste it. Then the rest of the numbers from 1 to 100 you highlight them, you make a few adjustments you'd love to make on everything together, and then what you actually want to do next is that you want to make this whole text a compound clip, and to do that you just press Alt G, then you tap on the compound clip, you come to speed, you increase your speed based on your own preference as well, and then the last duplicated text, which is 100, you move it right immediately after the compound clip. You may choose to adjust your speed just to make sure that you have the exact thing you are actually looking for. Then the next thing you want to do is that you want to add the sound effect. You come to audio, you come to music, then you choose digital counting, or you type digital counting. I'll be using digital counting 7 for this particular one. I'll be using digital counting 7. Then I will have to duplicate the music, so I'll just trim it out and I'll merge it together. So now the next thing I need is now my notification sound, but I'll cut this one at this exact place. Then I come to my audio again, I type notification, then I'll be choosing this notification sound. I just trim it as well, and boom, we are good to go. So you have your counting up number effect using CapCut.